Hello everyone, this is a video on how to assemble my animatronic head. So your package will come with 4 main pieces. Those pieces will consist of the base, the top of the head, the neck and bottom head, and then the servo connection. So for the first piece, you'll take the neck. You want to line up these 2 holes with these on the back here. Okay, you're going to want to line it up so that you can see the insert in there. Take your screw and screw it in. Do the same on the bottom. Next, we're going to take the servo connection piece, put it on the back, put in the screws. Then you're going to want to take the connection here, screw this bolt just so that you can see it coming out the back. Right there. And then line it up with the insert there. Screw it in. Then for the last step, we're going to take the upper head and we're going to screw it into these 2 holes here. And now he is fully assembled. Check out my other video on how to use the Bot Tango software to animate him.